Can you hear me okay? Okay, good, good. Well, welcome to this spring sampler concert. We have 3 jazz band tunes, and then, of course, throughout the audience, I see other members of the Monmouth Civic Orchestra, as well as many other of you who are here to watch. But so there'll be 3 pieces by the Monmouth Civic Orchestra. You can see that on the program, of course. So we're glad to start this program. The first tune that we're going to play is a tune by the great composer, arranger, Sammy Nestico, who did a lot of great compositions and arrangements for the Count Basie Orchestra. First tune we're going to play is called Groovin' Easy by Sammy Nestico. There we go. Talent Hunter on tenor sax. I was grooving easy. Sammy Nestico, great job, you guys. Nice and tight back there. Great job. Okay, now the next one. Actually, a very nice suggestion by McKenna Ron. McKenna and Kent are you guys, you didn't play ever? Okay, McKenna's played this. Okay, thank you. Oh, McKenna, Kent's got a cue here. Anyway, this is somebody that you know, right? Who wrote this song?
He's a composer from Central Pennsylvania, and I've had the pleasure of working with him multiple times.
Yes, Rick Hirsch. This is a tune called Downtown Tango. I have to admit, I don't remember who's soloing. So when saxophones start a solo, I'll just go ahead and put the microphone in front of them. I figured, I don't remember. It's been a whole week, Anyway, so please enjoy Downtown Tango. Lorenzo Ramirez on alto sax. And back, of course, Evan Reed on the trumpet. We're so glad we brought our own fan club. Let's hear it for the fan club. Okay, so this is kind of I guess you could say, a last-minute substitution. Not the song. We're going to do the same song we were going to do, which is, by the way, it's Earth, Wind, and Fire, September, written by Maurice White. Hopefully you will enjoy our rendition of it. But River Neville was going to sing, and then, what's it? Oh yes, let's move the microphone over there to her and make sure it's all set to go. Thank you, Kaylee. But she unfortunately is ill and not able to sing with us tonight. So it turns out our guitarist, Maya Blackman, is also a very good singer. Yes. Whoa, okay. Anyway, so try that again. Here we go. Anyway, so she is not only going to sing, but also continue to play guitar on this. And then Kaylee Cronin gets to jump up and play bass. Ruby Poffenbarger has been playing the bass for the first two songs. Okay, well, when you're ready, we got to make sure that that is going to stand up well, right? It seems, yeah. Part of it's persistent. It's difficult. I just stand here. You want to just hold it? Okay. It's not gonna be. Yeah. I think Ruby, you're just gonna have to like. It's kind of like when the wind is too much on the football field, and so you gotta have someone hold the football. So that it doesn't blow over when they're trying to kick off. So yeah, Ruby's gonna do that. Is that a good spot for you, Dakota? Okay, sorry. The orchestra's patiently waiting. Thank you all for waiting. We'll be ready to play this tune in a moment, and we'll be out of the way. So I don't think okay. So are we ready over there? Almost. Okay. You're going to play for that, okay. All right, just be prepared. Be prepared to jump in and hold it back up. Yeah, we just need to press the button, right? Is it red?
Okay, now we're on.
Okay. You going to pick her up okay? All right.
You know what?
I should just do this. One, two, three, four. Okay, thank you. Thank you. And by the way, Maya Blackman. Incredible job. Especially for the moment. But it's not like you knew that song before or anything, right? She mentioned that I guess she grew up hearing that song in her house, like over and over constantly. So when River couldn't sing, she's like, would you mind if I sang? I'm like, oh, yes, please do so. I would not mind, please do so. So yes, by the way, the Monmouth College Jazz Band, thank you for listening to us. Great, give one more hand to the band. And now we will flee the stage and help try to reorganize this for the orchestra. Thank you. Please stand by for about 5 minutes or so. We're not going anywhere.
here, they are wonderful. We're going to lay it down in the Celtic style. So here is our first tune, concert overture, Domino to Down. with Concert Overture, Don Bolton down. This next group of songs are three Scottish folk songs that you might know if you are Scottish. The first one is called Any Lowry. Actually, I typed up notes, and then my printer ran out of ink. So I'm going to read them off my phone. Let's see. Any Lowry is an old Scottish song based on a poem said to have been written by William Douglas around 1700 about his romance with Annie Lowry. And the words were modified to the tune and were added by Alicia Scott in 1834. And the song is known as Max Walton Braes. Anybody familiar with that? Okay, there'll be a quiz later. The second tune we're doing is called Bluebells of Scotland. Does anybody know what bluebells are? What's that? They're flowers, yes, good. So this next song, The Bluebells of Scotland, is about a soldier going off to battle and hoping that he does well as he comes home safe. And the last one is Rachel Ray. It's a real tune, and it's going to feature our string players firing up their fiddles and playing awesomely. So please enjoy three Scottish songs.
It's a challenge. His story is he reunited his
actually, the Green Knight is a test. He's actually not who he appears to be. And in the end, well, you can read the story. I'm not going to tell you the whole thing because we want to play this for you. So the first tune, the first movement that we're going to perform is the banquet hall, and this is the whole time where we're eating and having a great time. So I'm going to bring in a bunch of turkey legs and stuff for you. And, maybe later. Maybe at the concert. You're going to come back to the concert for that one. That's in May. But please enjoy Elizabeth Brown's song and the Green Knight.